Mr. Honorable Abdou Njie. Can you please give me a round of applause? I will invite Mr. Abdou Njie to give us a statement, or at least make a statement about one or two things that he planned for the school, that he intends for the school, and will bring progress for the development of the school. So, Scout Band, please acknowledge the presence of the Board of Chairman, Mr. Abdou Njie. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, members of the Board of Governors here present, our esteemed guests, respected parents, our dear graduates, dedicated staff, and members of our community. Today, we are gathered to celebrate the 25th graduation ceremony of our esteemed school, which, by the way, coincides with 2025. It is a landmark occasion when we reflect on a remarkable journey filled with memories, growth, and accomplishment. This is not just a milestone for our graduates. It symbolizes the hard work and dedication of everyone who has contributed to the success of the Jobe School. First and foremost, I want to take this opportunity to talk about the significance of discipline in our daily lives. Discipline is not just a rule or a guideline. It is the foundation upon which society and success is built. It shapes our character, hones our focus, and empowers us to reach our potentials. As we move forward, I urge every one of us to cultivate the environment that prioritizes discipline, particularly self-discipline, a space where respect for ourselves and others is paramount. To enhance discipline, let us implement mentorship and peer leader initiatives, both at home and at the school level. These initiatives will not only guide but inspire our students to cultivate and uphold these values. Together we can foster a culture of good citizenship, accountability, and integrity, ensuring that our graduates leave the Jobe School not just with knowledge, but with excellent virtues that will serve them well in life. As stewards of our environment, we must also strive for cleanliness and sustainability. Our beautiful planet deserves our respect and care. I encourage the school community to engage in regular cleanup activities, create awareness campaigns, and integrate environment education in our curriculum. It is our shared responsibility to create a cleaner, greener space for future generations. And small action by individuals can lead to significant change. Today, we are deeply grateful for the contribution of those who have guided us and developed the school thus far. I would like to express my heartiest appreciation and thanks to our former principal, Mr. Mohamed, who has tirelessly served the school as both classroom teacher and principal for nearly 25 years. He is here with us today as our guest of honor. Mr. Diba, your tireless efforts, unwavering commitments to excellence have left an indelible mark on us all and the entire school community. Ladies and gentlemen, dear graduates, I wish to use this auspicious occasion to extend my sincere gratitude to our current principal and the staff, and wish to urge the principal in particular to be more dedicated, hardworking, and display passion so as to inspire both staff and students daily. Your focus on academic achievements, sound management, and character development will pave the way for a brighter future for both the students and the school. Furthermore, I would wish to recognize our dedicated and committed members of staff, comprising teachers, administrators, and support staff. Your hard work, dedication, and commitment to nurturing our students are the backbone of this institution. Thank you for your encouragement, for believing in our students, and for pushing them harder towards success. Special thanks also goes to the Parent Teachers Association, whose unwavering support and collaboration have been instrumental in supporting the school. Your commitment to the welfare of our students and the school development is truly commendable. I wish to extend my deepest appreciation to the parents. Your tireless efforts, support have empowered our students to reach this significant milestone. Your partnership is vital in nurturing well-rounded, disciplined, and environmentally conscious individuals. Lastly, but not the least, I want to acknowledge the invaluable support the school receives from the Gambia government to the Minister of Basic and Secondary Education. Your financial and material assistance has empowered us to provide the resources necessary and the enabling environment for students to thrive and succeed academically. Together we are making a difference. Ladies and gentlemen, dear students, as we gather here today to celebrate our 25th graduates, let us remember that this is not an end, but rather the beginning of many things to come. Dear graduates, go forth with confidence, armed with discipline, and a commitment to care for our environment. Carry the legacy of this school, a school that gives second chance to students. And do it with pride, honor, and strive to make this world a better place to live. Congratulations, the class of 2025. Thank you all for your attention. Thank you.
Everyone, thank you so much. We appreciate that. Wonderful statements. And I believe the students will go along with their responsibilities to make life easier for themselves. The board chairman did mention of so many things, but just to cut it short, you are going out to face a new life. Challenges all over, because it is the beginning of a new chapter. Life after school is not as easy as you think. You have so many obstacles along the way, but with determination and hard work,
you will be able to achieve all. So wish you all in your good endeavors and wish you success in your future aspiration. Next on the item, we would like to invite the students that has a poem to read, poem to share, including the French club. But first of all, I would like to start with the press club, where we have Mariama Sabana Jallo. Can you please give her a round of applause? Mariama Sabana Jallo has a poem.
Corruption leads to destruction. Our leaders' actions has damaged our reputation, and the nation lacks its protection to the future generation. I quote, kindness in her generates good deeds. It's like that of a woman's seed, then it leaves us succeed. But how can you lead when you are black in deeds? Why did they keep us away from our needs? We deserve not all these. Why our leaders not readers, they behaving like free thinkers. They make us beggars, acting like our guardians despite the fact that they are all gold diggers. They took our money to make their honey and family happy, and they left us lonely, crying like a baby who is looking for his mommy. Why Gambia now? Why Gambia down? Let's show the world our progress, peace and prosperity, and stop abusing our commodity. Let's believe in the Almighty to have our liberty in our country. For our community to have a good facility and a larger capacity. Stop stealing our properties. They call me minority because I refuse to join their party of majority. So you know why? See, the abuse of peace and stability is the most important thing to be our responsibility. Uproot the truth and tell them the truth. They've becoming root and destroying our roots. See, if we hold fair, say la rongon be the turo. The rongon be the turo, la yermande di duga si domi adama. But as long as poverty, injustice, and gross inequality persists in Gambia, none of us shall truly rest. Let's choose the best to move this country next, so we become first to take the rest out of the rest. I say no lie. I say no lie when I say you will solely testify. You want to make thousands die, belie. You are not the guy we voted in to make us satisfied. You seize all our rights and succeeded in bringing Gambia down. I sometimes sit and ask myself, why Gambia now? Why Gambia down? Let me advise you, Smamboka. Let me advise for you to be wise like a mouse holding dice, so we sensitize and advertise to make Gambia nice like paradise. Give me the opportunity to advertise and make our country organized, so we become first so we become first out of the rest. Before we are victimized, give me the opportunity to advertise, so we become first out of the rest. I say no lie. I say no lie when I say you will solely testify. You want to make thousands die, be like you are not the guy we voted in to make us satisfied. Why Gambia now? Why Gambia down?
Thank you very much, Fanjame. Scott Band, can you please give it a light, please, Scott Band. Thank you very much.